scene opens with the students sitting at their desks. They all chatting and giggling with each other.
Good morning, children. Good morning, teacher. How are you all? Fine, teacher. Today we're gonna talk about the power of unity. What does that unity mean, teacher? Unity means working together towards a common goal. It means that we all are on the same team and we support each other. That sounds like fun. Yes, it is fun. When we work together, we can achieve amazing things. Let me show you an example. I will give each of you a bundle of sticks. Children, try to break it.
The students try to break them individually. They all try but fail to do so.
No, teacher, it's difficult to break. Okay, all of you come forward. Let's try breaking all the sticks together.
The students hold the sticks together and break them easily.
Wow, that was amazing. Yes, it was. That's the power of unity. Together we can achieve so much. How can we work together as a team? That's a great question. We can work together by listening to each other, sharing our ideas, and supporting each other. I like that. Let's do something together as a team. Thank you, teacher. We will always remember this lesson. Now let us understand a meaning of unity through a video.
Long, long ago, there lived 4 cows in a village. They lived upon a bond made of friendship. They were always together and did things together. One such morning, they went in search of food. A lion watched them graze together and thought of attacking them and have its meal. Cows are happily grazing together in a field.
Look at all this yummy grass. Yeah, it's great that we are all here together. We are such good friends. We always stick together. And we are stronger as a team.
Lion appears and watches the cows from a distance.
Those cows look delicious. I want to catch them.
Lion pounces on the cows, but they manage to fight back and hurt the lion.
Ouch! These cows are tough. I better run away.
Lion retreats to its den. Fox observes the incident and approaches the lion.
My lord, I saw what happened. These cows should pay for hurting you. I can help you. How can you help me? If we make the cows fight each other, they will be weak. When they are together, they are strong. Oh, that sounds like a good idea.
Fox approaches first cow.
Hey, I heard your friend saying you can't do anything without them. I thought you should know. Really? Who said that? I can't say, but they don't believe in your strength.
First cow becomes upset and decides to graze alone. Fox approaches second cow and plays the same trick.
You know, your friend said you are not as brave as them. They think they can do everything without you. What? I'll show them. I'll graze alone.
The same conversation is repeated with third cow and fourth cow.
My lord, I did my task. Now you can go and catch them.
Each cow is now grazing alone, making them vulnerable.
Finally, my chance. I will eat these cows one by one.
Lion attacks and eats each cow.
Tasty. Tasty.
Fox approaches the lion.
My lord, divided they fell. The cows didn't stand a chance. You were right, Fox. When they were together, they are strong. When they fought with each other, they lost. Remember, unity is strength. We are stronger when we stick together.
They both walk away, leaving the scene with a valuable lesson learned. Back to classroom scene.
So, children, now you understand the power of unity? Yes, teacher. Thank you for teaching us a modern lesson.
I am responsible for everything I think, everything I say, everything I do. I am responsible for everything I feel. Integrity is the real deal. What I think I can say, what I say I'll do. My actions and my words say the same thing too. Always say what I mean, always mean what I say. Integrity's the only way. I am responsible for everything I think, everything I say, everything I do. I am responsible for everything I feel. Integrity is the real deal. What I think I can say, what I say I'll do. My actions and my words say the same thing too. Always say what I mean, always mean what I say. Integrity's the only way.